Jimmy Butler. He makes a lot of difference, offense and defense.
Oh, how did Steph sneak along the baseline?
3 of 7, 3 of 8. You can give him that all night, though. He wants to go inside.
KD! Kind of ran everything. Playing with his feet set.
Jones, good look. Tolliver got blocked. What a rejection from Green, who went falling into the front row.
This wide right there. Iguodala pushing. Jerebko's running again behind the back to lay it in and draw the foul.
Oh, he's been working, and nothing's been working right for him. Iguodala, 9 out of 10 is going to give this ball up. On a bounce pass in the middle of the lane, full speed, pretty risky.
Behind the back.
5 turnovers in 5 minutes, and that really put him behind the 8 ball here.
Steph's trying to get around his good friend Tolliver, and he does with a left hand. Steph Curry, drop it in a 3. McKinney and Jerebko. And Klay Thompson is providing the offense.
He knows.
Porter, trailed by 4 heading in. And Curry with a 3.
Finally gets it.